Hi, it's Faceless Tech. I've got a really quick 3D printing hack here. If you want to make a lanyard, but I know lanyards are cheap, a couple of pounds each, but if you want to make one and you're struggling to find a colour, or you've got some paracord lying around, you can just make one with this, which is basically made from a strip of paracord. And the way you make these is basically you can make them any length that you want, because if you're a bit tall or you're short, you're stuck with the one length. They make them in like one tiny length, so you can actually have the correct length if you want quite a short one, you know, if you've got something long hanging from it. All it is a bit of paracord. You've got the 3D printed bit, and then you've got a lanyard, carabiner, and these are really cheap. You can get, I think I ordered 10 for about £2, so about 20p each, and it's just an M3 nut. If you take it apart, just in two parts, print it in two parts, quite easy to print, no support needed, and that is it really. What you do with the paracord is pull it back so you can and then take the inner part out of the end. Normally take about that much of the paracord out, so then you can make a knot, and it's quite small a knot. It's not a big, because if you try and do a knot with an actual paracord with the inside bit in it, it won't work. So what you gotta do is put the knots, once you've done them, put them in there, put the cover on, just make sure they're not snagged in the end, screw it together, and that is it. It's all it's like I say, 3D printed without support. There's a bit of support for the nut, but that's about it. Like I say, this is just an M3 cap nut, about 6mm length. I have the files in a blog post below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.